My name is Aarti Sharma. I'm an internationally certified image consultant and a soft skills trainer. I help people build a strong and powerful personal brand by working on their appearance, behavior, and communication. A, B, and C of image management. Why do we need to have a personal brand? In today's time, when everything is online, you cannot ignore your presence 24 hours. And if you have a strong personal brand, you have more chances of employability. How? Well, to become successful in life, you need two things. First is getting an opportunity, and the second one is performing on getting that opportunity. Getting that opportunity is the first step. And to have that opportunity, you must have a strong personal brand. Personal branding is a must for professional success. Actually, a brand is what people say about you when you are not there. And if you are already known and people talk about you, about your credibility, about your experience, or how well you perform, then it creates a strong image, and that means you will have more chances of having a successful career. Even the employability is dependent on your personal brand. For example, to become successful, you need two things. Number one, getting an opportunity, and then performing on getting that opportunity. To be employable, first thing is getting an opportunity, and your personal brand helps you become more popular, more trustworthy, and for that, employers are also looking for somebody who has an established personal brand, maybe through social media or through how you carry yourself each day. That is how you can create a strong personal brand. This personal branding workshop for PGDM students for JIMS has been phenomenal. Students participated wholeheartedly and were extremely enthusiastic to learn this concept of personal branding, which is a must these days. Because if students don't know how to build their brand, they'll remain as if they were in their student life. It's a smooth transition from campus to professional life. For that, know how to create a personal brand is must. And these kind of workshops help students learn the things which are not available in the textbooks. So I would encourage many more workshops like these.